My name is Sabah Rasool and I'm pursuing the course of Yoga Protocol Instructor. Right now I'm done with level 1 and I'm pursuing level 2. I wanted to join something in person, so I searched for it, and when I looked at your Swasti and its website and everything, I got interested and I chose Swasti for myself. Well, when I joined Swasti, I wanted to learn more about asanas, but along with asana, I came to know a lot about the history of yoga and the real meaning of yoga. And you know how what is Hatha Yoga and everything. So it was like a complete transformation in the mind, because I could understand that yoga is not only about your postures, but it is to do with your whole personality. And in Swasti, that was done very well. The way the courses are made, the protocols that are made. So it's very friendly. Now I am a professional, I'm a dentist, and I could easily manage my work with my training as a yoga teacher. So that is why in Swasti it was a transformation, and it was like very conducive for transformation. The whole philosophy of yoga, the whole philosophy of why we do Hatha Yoga, what is the significance of meditation and different practices, and how these different practices actually transform you as a person and open up your perspective over things. It completely changes you and changes the way you look at the world, you look at everything. So that is very different, from only asanas. So beyond asanas, I think asana is only the tip of the iceberg. Below that, there is a Mount Everest to learn, and that was done in Swasti. I'm practicing yoga since 2017 continuously. But after Swasti, the very little subtle differences in your postures, along with the knowledge of why you're doing a posture, that was transforming. Because why are you doing a particular posture? What is the physiology of yoga in your body? That was transforming. And as a doctor, it has helped me understand my patients better, and understand their fears, where they're coming from, their anxiety, where it is coming from, and that helps me deal with them in a better way. Of course, I will recommend Swasti, and I must say that all the doctors who are practicing in the field of health should definitely take up the course, and if they are in Pune or wherever, Swasti is one of the best coaching centers they can have. Because it's not only about, a teacher-student relationship. It's like you come together with people who are like-minded, who have adapted yoga as their way of life, and who are very willingly and very lovingly offering it. So that is the difference. And it's not only about postures or your flexibility. It's much more about it. So even if you're not flexible, please join Swasti. Dr. Vikas and Dr. Shitambari, both of them, they are lovely human beings. They just accept you as a family, and that is so beautiful. You understand, you very well see that they are actually yogis, and still they are, the way they help you, the way they teach you, the way they understand you is exceptionally different. I really would recommend, people will be lucky if they have them as a teacher. First of all, in this environment that we are living in with so many stresses, it is environmental stress, there is financial stress, there are wars happening. So much is going on inside our subconscious. First of all, we should look at yoga now to have overall health. And being from an health industry, I think that is very important for doctors. Patients come to you with many things. So if you learn yoga, you can really transform a patient's life. And for Swasti, well, I'm very comfortable with Swasti. When I was searching for a yoga school, I went through many. There were some all over India offering, but something in Swasti was very personal. And that is why I chose Swasti, and I would like all other professionals also to, have a look at the website and choose it. Highly, I'll recommend. It will be life-changing, and it's as if you get a new family.